In this video, I want to talk about this Leviton motion-activated light control. More specifically, I want to talk about how to change the settings with this. So it has 3 different settings. Well, technically, the 3rd setting is only on certain models, which I believe is a DOS02, and that's an ambient light setting. So if it's really bright in your room and you don't want this light to come on, then you can change those settings. I'll go over how to change the duration that the light stays on and the sensitivity of the motion sensor, because that is going to work for all of these. So first, we'll talk about how to change the duration. So to enter programming mode for this, there's actually 2 buttons, one on the bottom and one on the top. So to enter programming mode, you're going to hold both of those for 5 seconds. And then this green light on the top will stay on steady for 5 seconds. Now this will stay in programming mode for 30 seconds until it senses no activity, and then it will exit programming mode. So to get to the first setting to change, you push this, and this red light just blinked twice. So we want it to blink once. It's probably going to blink 3 times. So now we push it again on the top, 1. So now I'm in the duration setting for how long this light will stay on. So on the bottom here, if I push this button, the green light blinks 4 times. That's the longest setting. That's 20 minutes. If I push it again, that light will blink once. That means the light will stay on for 1 minute after it's activated and with no motion detected. Push it again, 2, that's going to stay on for 5 minutes, and push it again, 3, which is 10 minutes, and that is actually the default setting. But I want to make it so it's going to be on for only 1 minute. So it cycles through them. That just blinked 1 time. So now to exit and to save settings, I'm just going to hold either up or down until that light is steady. It'll stay on for 5 seconds and it will shut off, and you'll know that it's programmed. You can change all the settings all at once and then hold the button like I showed you and exit, and all the different settings will be changed. But we're going to go back in to programming mode and I'll change the sensitivity. So again, hold the top and bottom button for 5 seconds and this green light will go steady. And now I'm going to push the top button 1 time, and it's a little hard to see, but the red light blinked twice. That's the sensitivity setting. I'm going to do it again just so you can see. Now it's blinking 3 times. That's the ambient light setting. The red light blinked once, so that is the duration. So we'll push it 1 more time for the sensitivity. So right now you can see the green light is blinking 3 times. So that is set to high sensitivity. If I push the bottom button again, it's going to go to 4. What that's going to do is reset everything to default settings. So we don't need that. We're going to push it again, and it's going to go to 1. That's low sensitivity, blinking twice, and that is medium. That's the default. So I'm going to stay there. Option 3 would be high, and again, option 4 would reset everything to default settings. So I'm just going to hold this in now that we're on the setting we want. Hold it until the green light's steady. It'll go off, and it's programmed. So I know it can be a little confusing. This is the instructions, and the reason I'm making this is because you may have thrown these away, or maybe an electrician installed this and you don't have these. So just so you have it, there you go. Again, this is the first setting, the duration of the time which the light will stay on, sensitivity, and the ambient light, which only works for DOS02 models, and these are the options. And this is what I was saying, 1 minute, 1 blink with the green light, and low range, 1 blink, and so on. And right here, All settings reset to default, which are in the gray. 10 minutes, medium, medium. So there you go. Hopefully that helps. So if you have a motion activated switch like this, I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching.